This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Kiran Bawani. Beautiful mountain and lake lot. Just 5 minutes from I-75 and Twin Cove Marina with access to boat ramp and marina restaurant. Guaranteed access to boat slip and lift will come with the purchase. Buyers will take over the lease. This would be a great investment property. Subdivisions allows short-term rentals. Gently rolling lot with electrical, sewer and water already available for you. There is a great marina, private boat ramp, restaurant and swimming pool. Buyer to verify all current HOA info, utilities, etc. during due diligence period. Current owner is not a member of HOA, but new owner will be required to join. For more information, review the details below or contact Kiran Bawani.